As a graphic designer, do you know that you can actually make your flyers interactive? And when I mean interactive, I mean that you can click on a button or take an action somewhere and the flyer literally takes you to somewhere. The first one and the most common one is the QR code, and this is how it works. We have this design here. It is a current design going on now. It is a campaign, and you can actually you can scan this code here to pay using PayPal or credit card or any other option, or you can donate using Amazon Smile. In Amazon Smile, you can buy gifts for them and they simply take the gift and send it to the kids. But then there is also this one that will literally take you to the site. You don't need to scan anything, and that is this same design, but here we have click here to donate. And before we click anywhere to donate, you can see that wherever else I click on the design, it does not do anything. But when I click on click here to donate, it literally takes me to the website, and you can donate any amount you want. So this is that same website where you can scan the QR code to enter. And if I click using donate using Amazon Smile, it will take me to Amazon Smile website where I will buy any gift item I want for the child. If you want to know how to do it, follow me and I will post it very soon.